In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type 1/2 on a laptop keyboard in Microsoft Word as a proper fraction. Let's start with the simplest method, which is usually enabled by default in Word. Open a blank or existing Word document and click anywhere you want to type your fraction. Now, type the number 1, then a /, and then the number 2. So it looks like 1/2. After you press the space bar, Word will often automatically convert that into the single character fraction symbol for 1/2. If that happens, you're done. You've just typed 1/2 as a clean fraction. If it doesn't automatically change, that just means the AutoCorrect options for fractions might be turned off. To fix this, look at the top left corner of Word and click on the File tab. In the menu that appears, go down to Options. A new window will open. On the left side of that window, click on Proofing, and then click the AutoCorrect Options button. In the AutoCorrect window, switch to the tab labeled Auto Format as you type. Here, look for the option that says something like Fractions, 1/10 with fraction character. Make sure that box is checked. This tells Word to automatically turn basic typed fractions like 1/2 into their proper single character versions as you type. Once you've checked that box, click OK to close the AutoCorrect window, and then click OK again to close the Options window. Now go back to your document and try again. Type 1, then /, then 2, and press the spacebar. This time, Word should convert it into the proper 1/2 symbol automatically. If you ever want it to stay as 1/2 instead of the symbol, you can press Ctrl+Z right after it converts, and it will switch back. Keep in mind that this automatic method usually works for a few common fractions like 1/2, 1/4, and 3/4. If you need more complex fractions, you would use Word's equation tools. But for simple ones like 1/2, this AutoCorrect feature is the fastest and easiest way. So to recap in practice, type 1/2, press space, and if it doesn't convert, turn on the fraction option in AutoCorrect as you type. Once that's enabled, typing 1/2 as a proper fraction in Microsoft Word becomes almost effortless.